DedroneTracker provides a live dashboard for monitoring the protected airspace. On the right side of the interface, we see the pilot location as well as the drone flying toward the protected area. The various detection capabilities are used in conjunction to provide accurate confirmation and localization of the target. Information about what type of drone is being detected, as well as live video tracking, is shown in real time. Security personnel are automatically notified upon detection of a drone in the pre-configured zones. Once an operator decides to mitigate the threat, they simply select the countermeasure and DedroneTracker activates the defeat capabilities.